my name is Michal Velebný and I am head of restoration workshop in Škoda Museum. Nowadays Škoda Museum has in its collection 370 cars, bicycles and motorbikes. So it's a pretty large collection. A lot of them are pretty old, from Laurin Clement times, and the collection was founded 1968 when we purchased first 60 examples to our collection. We have in collection many rare cars which exist just only one example. It's one of the oldest Laurin Clement cars. It's, for example, the luxury Škoda 860, the luxury car from 1932. It's Škoda Hispano Suiza, which was produced under the license of the French company. And my piece of art is one of the racing cars, Škoda 1100 OHC Coupe, which was produced just in 2 examples, and we restored it from bad wreck. In my life I had several old-timers. I have Škoda 1000 MB, I had a Škoda 1100 one two-door. Currently we run with a friend racing Škoda Sport, racing car from 1949, so old Škoda cars are part of my life.